All right, we are back to reassemble our Wilson Combat SFX9 1911 style handgun. First thing we're going to do is put the barrel back in. You can flip that barrel link over so it fits through the frame. That'll simply slide right back in. You want to make sure it goes all the way back right there until it feels tight. And that's what it looks like, of course. It's nice and firm, good fitment. Flip that barrel link back up. Now we're going to put the recoil spring plug back in. So here's how you put it in. It goes in that way, not from the front of the gun. It comes in from the inside of the gun, which obviously you would figure out, but it looks a little confusing the first time you do it. Let's put the spring back on, the recoil spring back on the guide rod. Put that flat side down. You can see right now exactly how the flat side of that sits right in there. And then we're going to slide the barrel back onto the lower. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can see where the notches line up right there. And it'll slide straight back on. Then we got to put our takedown lever back into that hole right above the trigger guard. So insert that and slide. Got to slide back about halfway. You can feel right where it'll magically fit, and it pops right back in for me. Gotta make sure it's functioning properly. If you rack it once, continue to hold the trigger. As you let the trigger go, you'll hear it click. And then you know you've put it back together properly. Please continue to share and like these videos if they help you at all.